Cleaning doilies can be pretty tricky. I'll show you how I got it from this white to this white. Very delicate. Fill a bowl with warm water, not hot. A little bit of detergent. We'll start the soaking process. We'll start to scrub the stains. Very gently though. Before we scrub any of these too aggressive, we're just gonna let them soak. Work it up real nice and gentle. I'll gently start working on these stains with a little bit of toothpaste. I'll bring each stain out and just work it with a toothbrush. I'll go light with it because I don't want to damage the fibers. The water's starting to get dirty, which is a good sign. I'm going to do everything I can to avoid bleach. These are old fibers and I just don't want to damage them. After about 3 days of soaking, this one stain is not coming out, so I decided to put just a little bit of bleach on it. Put a little bit in a cap, then start to scrub it. After about 5 minutes, I'm starting to see the stain lift a little bit more. A couple hours of soaking it in the bleach and it is starting to break down a bit. The other doilies are looking real nice. The stain at this point is almost completely gone. I put it in the washing machine with this special bag. The bag would be for delicate things. Just from soaking, you can see how much dirt we got out of this. I'll lay these on a flat surface to dry. It's like night and day being clean.